In the echoing halls of card-making mastery, where artistry intertwines with meticulous precision, a symphony of creation unfolds. Every deck of poker cards whispers a tale of craftsmanship, born from a delicate dance of materials and skill. Step into the mesmerizing workshop where creativity takes form as we unveil the captivating process behind the creation of poker cards. Prepare to immerse yourself in the enchanting world where innovation meets tradition in our revealing journey of crafting poker cards. Ever wondered about the secret artistry and precision behind the creation of poker cards? Curious to know how those iconic poker cards are transformed from raw materials into a deck of strategic possibilities? Delve deeper into the video to get answers to all your questions, but before we start, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Poker cards have been around for centuries and remain one of the most popular games in the world. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the manufacturing process behind these beloved cards. It all starts with gathering raw materials such as paper and ink, which are sourced from various suppliers according to strict standards. Once the materials are gathered, the pre-press process commences, involving the creation and preparation of artwork for printing. From there, the printing process begins using cutting-edge machinery to ensure precise and accurate results. After printing, the cards undergo a coating stage for lasting durability, followed by quality control checks to ensure every card meets industry standards. Finally, the finished products are packed and shipped to various locations, including casinos and households. In this next section, we'll delve deeper into how these raw materials are gathered and undergo quality control checks in the factory. The selection process of the right paper and ink is crucial for making high-quality poker cards. Typically, paper with high durability, strength, and flexibility is chosen, such as 100% plastic or PVC material. Inks used for printing should be bright, vivid, and long-lasting. Once chosen, raw materials are sourced from trustworthy suppliers who guarantee consistency and quality. These sources are systematically evaluated and audited by factory officials to ensure they have the necessary expertise, equipment, and adherence to ethical, environmental, and safety standards required. Before the printing process can begin, the artwork is created through a combination of digital or hand-drawn illustrations or graphic design. During the artwork creation process, the highest attention to detail and precision is required, because any errors will be reflected throughout the entire set of cards produced. The artwork is then prepared for printing by converting it into a print-ready format using specialized software, as well as other techniques like color separation, imposition, and trapping, while adhering to the manufacturer's requirements. The printing process involves using highly advanced machinery to transfer the prepared artwork onto the specially sourced playing card paper using UV-cured ink. The use of cutting-edge machinery ensures precision and accuracy in delivering high-quality cards. Sophisticated printing presses are used to apply the ink to the paper, which goes through several layers and is cured using UV light. Once printed, the sheets of paper are inspected by staff, and any defective cards are rejected. After the printing process, the cards are coated, giving them a consistent texture and making them more durable. Depending on the required end product specifications, different coatings such as polyvinyl chloride, plastic coating, or aqueous coating can be applied. The coating process not only ensures resilience against scratches and other damage, but also protects the cards from fading due to sunlight or other environmental elements. Additionally, the cards are boxed, and seals are placed for further protection during storage and transport. Next, the printed and coated sheets of card paper are cut into uniform-sized individual cards, according to the required dimensions and specifications defined by each manufacturer. The cutting process is done by using precision laser technology, making sure every cut is accurate and clean. The cutting is precisely done with the help of machine settings, configured according to the dimensions required. This guarantees uniformity in the size and shape of each card. The cut cards are then packed using specialized machines to ensure every deck is protected and secured during transportation, and the factory staff examines each deck to warrant a high standard of quality. A two-piece rigid tuck box is typically used for holding the cards, and the information and details on the cover and box reflect the brand of the manufacturer. Quality control is an essential component of the poker card-making process, as it ensures that each card meets industry standards for quality, durability, and accuracy. At each stage of the manufacturing process, faulty cards are screened out, and any defects are corrected to maintain a high level of quality. The factory is designed with quality controls at every step of the way to ensure that the final product is perfect. This includes dedicated teams that evaluate and ensure adherence to industry standards, training to work according to the right SOPs, written instructions at every workstation, and the use of technological tools to monitor each aspect of the process. These measures ensure that every deck of cards produced is of high quality and the customer satisfaction rate remains high. After quality control checks are performed, the packaged and finished decks of cards are ready for transport. The manufacturer will ship the card decks out using various modes of transportation, and typically they ship by air, sea, or land, according to customer requirements. Once the decks of cards arrive at their destination, they are unloaded, unpacked, and carefully inspected before being distributed to stores and casinos. Manufacturers ensure that they are packed securely to prevent any damage during transit. They use corrugated boxes, dividers, and other protective materials to keep the cards safe and prevent any wear and tear that may result from transportation. After leaving the factory, poker cards will embark on a long journey to reach their final destination. They go through multiple channels of distribution, which include wholesalers, distributors, and retailers. Wholesalers buy the decks in bulk directly from the manufacturer and distribute them to smaller retailers. In contrast, distributors have a more significant role in carrying and storing the products before supplying them to retail stores or casinos. These entities are responsible for ensuring that the decks are transported and stored in ideal environmental conditions, without being overly handling the cards. Retailers, such as sporting goods stores, game stores, and other specialty stores, facilitate the sale of playing cards to consumers. Similarly, casinos also purchase the cards directly from the manufacturer or distributors to distribute to players. The poker card making process is a detailed and intricate process that involves obtaining high-quality raw materials to produce a product that is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. It requires sophisticated machinery, skillful labor, and strict quality control checks throughout each stage of the manufacturing process. Once the cards leave the factory, they go through various channels of distribution before finally reaching consumers, whether they are avid poker players, casino operators, or just people looking to play a fun game with friends. These cards become the catalyst for endless hours of entertainment and enhance an individual's gaming experience like no other. The art of producing high-quality playing cards will continue to develop with technology and create innovative ways to make an exciting card game even better. We hope you found this glimpse into the creation of poker cards as fascinating as we did. If you want to uncover more hidden stories behind everyday wonders, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support keeps us exploring the extraordinary.